The money Orlando Pirates is using it in a very, very good way to sign players who are going to challenge and make sure that Orlando Pirates wins the league, because we haven't won the league in 14 years. 14 years we haven't won a league. It's a big team. But Orlando Pirates is taking that money and using it to win the league, to try and challenge for the league right now. Now, in the was getting Umatuludi is now going to be an Orlando Pirates player, and also joining Orlando Pirates in the January transfer window after AFCON. Now, Orlando Pirates signing like this, Bafetu, it definitely tells Uguti we're not just planning for now, but we're also planning for the future. We're putting in a player Eswazi Ugutamnandi, Pesoma player Mnandi, Pesoma player Mnandi. Uwadu is transforming this squad not just into a powerhouse, but also is making it into a star-studded team that knows how to play football and challenge football. Next season we want to play Kev. Next season we want to make sure we don't just play Kev, but we play so well and probably win Kev, just so we can qualify for a Club World Cup. Imamelodi Sundowns isivulele manje, sibonisile ukuthi udlalwa iWorld Cup. The target is Club World Cup. That's the target now. And since manje we target, we want to go there. We just want to play. Matuludi, come. Woze khaya mfowethu, woze khaya. La yabona la sizokuthanda mfana, sizokuculela sikulethe sikusondeze. Matuludi, woze khaya mfana kithi. Check out the LFTV, your all-in-one streaming platform. Watch live football from your favorite leagues, movies, series, news, and many more. It works on mobile, smart TV, Android TV box, and Fire Stick. Izame mahala for 7 days and enjoy English and Portuguese subtitles. Click the download link on my bio and use the code in my comment to start watching now.